Hej Sven! Se her hva jeg har funnet! Jeg kom og se det vildsvinespor. Du er så lei på fisk. Kom, så går vi og får litt vildsvinesteg. It was Eric, the Viking leader of the Viking ship, who called for his friend Sven to catch some boar. He found some track on the snow outside the camp. Sven came and saw the wild boar track, and they started following around the big mountain that was in the middle of the island. And when they came all around, suddenly there was this forest. At that time, the snow was coming to them. Thick, thick snow, and the wind came right in their face. Sven had never seen a forest like that, and he felt there was something. And he said to Eric, "Skal vi til at vende om I stedet for?" And then they heard it. Jeg kan altså ikke lide det, said Sven. Det er ulve. And they turned around and they started walking down towards the camp, but the snow came more and more, and it got bigger and bigger, and they could hardly walk. And then they stopped, and again the sound. Let's go over bjerget. Let's climb the mountain. Sven was so clear on that was the way to go. Climb the mountain, and then they could go back to the ship and the camp. And they started climbing.
They climbed up and higher and higher. And as they went up, the snow beneath their feet turned to ice. And they slipped and slid all over the place, but kept climbing up and up. And there was this mist, a thick mist, that came down. They could hardly see in front of them. Then Sven let out a shout.
Se, ulv! Den er kæmpestor!
Eric looked up to where he was pointing, and there, coming through the mist in front of them, was the shadow of a huge, huge wolf. Sven raised his bow to fire, but Eric said, "Stop, wait. Wolf, who are you? And what is your business here?" But this huge wolf, as tall as a man, just looked down at the two men in silence. "Who are you?" said Eric. "What do you want with us?" "Who am I?" said the wolf. "Who am I? Who are you? Do you not know that this is Wolf Mountain? And here you must follow the law of the wolves."
"I would never do that," said Sven. "The law of the wolves is to tear each other apart. I will never do it."
And just then the great wolf gave a snarl. "That is not the law of the wolves. And here on Wolf Mountain, if you do not know the law of the wolves, you will be torn to pieces."
The fog just grew so thick they could hardly see each other, Sven and Eric. And then suddenly it was gone. And so was the wolf.